Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize mileage deductions with Everlance step by step clearly. Open the Everlance app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the home screen, tap the Expenses tab located at the bottom. Next, select mileage from the list of available expense types. Press the Add Trip button to begin recording a new trip. Enter your starting location in the starting point field. Now, input your destination in the endpoint field. Select the appropriate vehicle type for the trip. Choose the purpose of your trip from the drop-down menu. If your trip was personal or not related to business, make sure to select the correct category. After filling out the necessary fields, tap Save to record the trip. To verify your trip details, navigate back to the mileage section. Review the reported mileage to ensure accuracy. If any adjustments are needed, you can edit the trip by selecting it directly. Once satisfied, proceed to your dashboard. Here, you can view your total mileage for the reporting period. To claim deductions, make sure all mileage is categorized correctly. Finally, export your mileage report as needed for tax purposes. You're now ready to authorize your mileage deductions with Everlance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.